Flipp is an app that I use every week for price matching. I'm going to show you a couple of the features and how I use it. So first, obviously, download the app. Then you need to sign up for it and enter your postal code. Because our Walmart price matches Ontario-wide, I use a postal code that is a bigger city, so I get more variety with the flyers that I get. There's 2 notify me when settings up there that you need to pay attention to. The first one is item clippings are expiring soon. So if the flyer is about to expire, it will notify you. Or if you have your GPS on, you can do the nearest store with the clippings. So it'll let you know when you're close by to remind you. Your main screen will be the browse section at the bottom left. If you switch over to deals, it will come up with all of the hot deals for the week. So what they've considered to be the best deals. So you can do groceries, electronics, home and garden. You can also change the price range. So this one, $100 to $200. It'll come up with all of the best sales in that price range. Apparel and accessories, lots of different options there. If you go back in, you can go to explore. You can go to the latest. It will come up with the most recent flyers. You can also search for stores A to Z, so whatever store you're looking for. The main one I use is the groceries option. You can flip through every single flyer that comes up here. So I spend a lot of time just looking through each of them because I know good prices, so I'll look through every single one. So here you go into Freshco. You can look through all of the different things that they have in their flyers, all the different sales. So there's not really any super great sales on this one. I was going to show you how to make it into your shopping list, but I don't feel comfortable recommending any of these sales. So we'll back out and go to a different flyer here that I can find something good. Food basics. They usually have pretty decent sales here. So why don't we just pick this turkey here, $1.97 a pound. That's a pretty great sale. If you circle it, it'll come up in your shopping list here. So you've circled it. Now if you go into your shopping list, my clippings, it'll come up with anything that you have saved there, which is a really great way to price match. You just go back into there. Giant tiger, let's find something else. We want chocolate milk for 99 cents. Go into your shopping list. Each store will be into a subcategory with everything that you've selected. If you change your mind about the chocolate milk, you can always go in and uncircle it, and then it won't come up in your shopping list anymore. So let's find another flyer here. Sometimes with the markets, they have really tiny flyers. It's hard to see, so you'll have to zoom in. This one here, let's say we want to select the bread. If you go back into your clippings, it's a little bit harder to see when you go in. So if the cashier asks to see your price match, you need to zoom in so that they can see all of the different information on there. So there you can see the name brand, the size, and the amount. So you can see all the different variety of flyers that are in here. Again, you just need to go into whatever it is that you want, circle it, and it goes into your shopping list for whenever you're ready to price match. So looking through the different settings here, there's also restaurants, home and garden, pharmacy, general merchandise, electronics, baby and kids, fashion, automotive, sporting goods, pets, office, specialty, nearby. There are so many different ways that you can search in here for different flyers. It doesn't just have to be groceries. That's just personally what I use it for. So yeah, if you go into the groceries here, it'll come back up with your entire list of all the different flyers in your area. If you don't have the time to scroll through all of the flyers and look through them, you can just type in a search. So blueberries, look through all the different sales of blueberries that week. It makes it a lot easier if you're only doing 1 or 2 things. If you're starting out price matching, if you're not really sure how to do it, just type in whatever it is you want to find, blueberries, bananas, whatever it is, and it'll come up. So then you just need to find the best sale that you can find. So $1.88 is the best one. Circle it, and it goes straight to your shopping list there. And then you can just pull that up when you need to price match. When they're price matching, you need to be able to see the store, the date, and the product, and the size of the product. Those are all the things that they need. There's also a cool feature here where it says last day, so you know that that flyer is expiring tomorrow. Once the flyers have actually expired, you can go into the edit up there and click the garbage and then just send them all to the garbage. There's also a feature at the top there that says invite. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, Apple, and you can combine your list with friends and collaborate on a single shopping list. I have never used this feature myself, but I'm assuming it would be pretty helpful if you were planning a big event, or right now with COVID, if you're grocery shopping for other people, it would be really helpful for that as well. They could just select what it is that they want and you could go and pick it up for them. That's all that I have to say about this app. It has saved us a lot of money and made price matching a lot easier instead of bringing the flyers into the store. If you're looking for tips on price matching, I also have a video on how to get started with that. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks, have a great day.